Hello from Seesaw. Seesaw makes it quick and easy for teachers to document student learning in the class journal, providing families with a clear window into the classroom. Before inviting families to connect, make sure there is a post waiting in their child's journal to get them excited about how Seesaw will be used to support learning. Journal posts can be added to celebrate growth, support conferences, and spark meaningful conversations at home. Let's learn how to use the green Add button to start documenting that classroom learning today. From your Seesaw class, tap the green Add button and select Post to Student Journal. Next, choose a Seesaw multimodal tool to build your post. Select the Photo tool to take a live photo or upload one from your device. For example, if your class was learning about the life cycle of a chick, you can take or upload a photo to share with families. Pro tip: your photo will be locked by default. To move or resize it, tap the photo, click the three dots, and select Unlock. Now you can drag the corners to reposition it on the canvas. Use the tools on the left to enhance your post. Tap the Label tool to add text, such as a title or a caption describing what the students learned about the chicks. To customize the look, tap the three dots on the left to access and change your background. Make your post accessible for all students and families by adding audio. Simply select your text or image, tap the three dots, scroll to voice, and record, upload, or generate your audio. When your post is complete, tap the green check and select all students to share it with the whole class. Finally, tap the green check again to post it to the journal for students and connected family members to view. You can use the green Add button to create a welcome post for families, capture everyday learning moments and celebrations, or post instructional resources and exemplars of student work. Check out our teacher resources page for more resources to support you in getting up and running.